Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'll be showing you guys how I use our hair donuts to achieve this hairstyle. If you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. So right now this is the mesh hair donut I'll be using, and I use the Fretress Braiding hair. I use the Water Wave brand, and this is how the donut looks like. Exactly like this. I'll be using my crochet needle to install the hair, and that's the crochet I'll be using. So guys, this is actually what the donut looks like outside the box. And when you want to do this particular hairstyle or particular wig or attachment, you would have to start from this section. So guys, this is what I literally did. I'm just going to explain it and run through it. So I actually started from this part, but you're still going to have to go back in to like attach or crochet your hair inside that donut just to give it that perfect look. But for right now, I'm just going to go around the whole top before the depth of the donuts. So I'm just crocheting as normal or as usual, and I would advise, if you want to use another kind of hair like a blonde hair or like sun gold or whatever color of hair, once it's not a dark hair color, please try and look for the actual donut color. Like if you use black for something blonde, you might end up like not liking it. Like you might definitely see through the hair, and we want something that people wouldn't notice we are actually wearing, right? So guys, always look for the hair color of your choice. But if you're going for something darker, you could use black for red, purple, black, brown, whatever color you want. So guys, this is how it looks like after I flip the hair aside, and you could wear it like this, but this is how it should look like, because you're not seeing the middle of the hair anymore. But I'm still going to go inside to actually feel it out so you don't see this hole you're seeing. So I'm actually still going to crochet my hair, round it all over again. And basically what you should do is, if you want it to be full, depending on how much density you want and how you want it to be full, right? So I wanted mine to be extremely full, like you saw at the beginning of this video. I wanted it to be extremely full, so I had little space. I didn't do too much space. But if you want it to be scanty or whatever, just make sure you know your front from back. Like just have a front section and a back section. Then that way you can make the front section fuller than the inside part, because you don't want it to be obvious. And when you make the front section, or the section you choose to be your front, you could actually use the front section that is full to cover the other part of this bun. And this is how it looks like. And what I told you was I was going to go into doing my crochet in the depth of it at the other part of the video. And yeah, that is what I'm going to do now. So when you put it in the depth of, yes, in the middle, when you put it in the middle in that particular hole you're seeing, when you crochet your hair there, you end up having a very, very natural look. And as you can see, I skipped some parts, and the reason why I skipped that part was because I was still going to come back to fill it up later, but I wanted to manage my hair. I used 3 packs of this Fretress Braiding hair to do this whole thing. So guys, I also use this pin at the end of my crochet to hold it down. I used 4 of this pin to hold the hair down. So beauties, this is what the hair is looking like. I already have my hair put up, and I'm going to install my bun. I'm so excited. I actually love the outcome. And right now you might be seeing a little part of the bun, but it's really not going to show. I was just trying to fix it, and you'll be able to manipulate the hair, flip it to wherever you want it to look like, or wherever you want it to be rather. And guys, this is the finished look, and this is me feeling myself. Please allow me to feel myself, okay? I love it. I really love the fullness. I love everything. And the next slide, I'll be showing you the actual look outside, like to just show you that it works, babes. It really works, and I'm really happy at what I achieved. And that's me holding it. That's because my hair wasn't fully dried. I was just too happy to put it on. It wasn't really dried. So when you want to fix it, make sure you put it when your hair is actually dried, so it can have like a strong grip to it. I did this. I had 4 clips to it. So guys, if you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I love you all. I'll be seeing you on my next video. Bye.